Good morning or good afternoon to Dr. Noor Hafiza and all my classmates. We are from Group 8. Topic of our group assignment is Top Glove Corporation Berhad. In this video, we are talk about the company. Now, let us to introduce our group members. First, my name is Wing Ru and number matric 286486. Next, following by Enkirun, Noor Adrina, Noor Jato Irada, Lim Su Yi, Noor Izati, and Noor Amira Miza.
I will start the project with company names, address, type of business, and nature of business. Top Glove Company or Top Glove Corporation Berhad was developed 30 years ago in 1991 in Malaysia and is the largest glove manufacturer in the world. The company was founded by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai, which started from a single factory, one production center, and has 100 employees. Secondly, Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai started his business with a small factory in Klang, Selangor, and now the company headquarters is located at Setia Alam, Malaysia. Next, Top Glove Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian corporate company that manufactures rubber gloves for the local and overseas markets. After several years of being involved in the business world, the company managed to grow rapidly as the largest manufacturer of rubber gloves in the world and managed to gain a proud position. Top Glove Corporation Berhad conducts principal business in the manufacture of rubber gloves, but it also engaged in other activities such as production and sale of liquid rubber, providing service and investment equipment, real estate investment, and machinery business. Lastly, the business nature of Top Glove Corporation Berhad is to include honesty, transparency, and integrity.
A company's vision and mission illustrates the shape and the image of the company. Vision is a clear and solid statement that will stimulate the company, but sometimes refers as a goal that the company hopes to achieve in the future. On the other hand, mission defines as a general statement that states the purpose of the company. Vision statement can also motivate the employees to understand and be able to communicate with the aim of the company. Vision of Top Glove is to be a world-class partner in gloves and healthcare products. Top Glove Corporation Berhad hopes to be the first brand that comes in customers' minds when they need to buy or use gloves for sale purposes in their daily lives. Vision of Top Glove Corporation Berhad is ensuring safe human protection globally. The statement emphasizes to ensure the safety and protection of humans, which means their products are in good quality and have the ability to protect the users from harm. Top Glove Corporation Berhad embraces some core values in order to succeed. The company is always concerned about customer satisfaction about the products and the services. They will attempt to create a demanding and stimulating environment for their employees to fully tap into their potential while also not neglecting the rewarding parts. The relationship between Top Glove Corporation Berhad and their business partners will be maintained and further developed in a reliable manner. At last, Top Glove Corporation Berhad aims to become an understanding and compassionate corporate citizen, along with taking care of the benefits of all shareholders.
I will explain about the products produced by Top Glove Corporation Sdn Berhad. First of all, we will get the types of gloves, which consists of glove and non-glove products. Top Glove Corporation Berhad offers many different types of gloves, including latex, nitrile, vinyl, clean room, gas polythene, and many more. To meet customers' needs in the healthcare and non-healthcare sectors, this company also offers non-glove products like face masks, dental dams, exercise bands, condoms, and household products. The gloves are designed to meet specific criteria such as emergency use, the type of surgery performed, chemotherapy testing, and green series product. It is also designed particularly for children. The term green series product refers to gloves produced mainly from biodegradable materials. Latex is one of the materials produced by Top Glove Corporation Berhad. Top Glove provides a high-risk latex glove, low-protein latex glove, double-donor sterile latex surgical gloves, and others. For example, double-donor sterile latex gloves provide extra protection during operations by preventing cross-infection between users and patients. The fully anatomical design with curved fingers match the natural finger shapes, offers a wide range of motion, and reduce hand strain during surgeries. At the same time, the inner is polymer-coated and particle-free, resulting in a highly smooth wearing experience. Orthopedic surgical glove is a substitute for double-donor gloves for surgeons who prefer to wear a single glove for better protection. It is developed to give additional security and safety during intense procedure due to its increased thickness. Beside it is nitrile. It is a synthetic version of latex, perfect for those who are allergic to latex and cannot use natural rubber latex glove. It comes in various forms, including nitrile examination powder and powder-free gloves, charcoal nitrile, moisturizer nitrile gloves, and many more. Each has a specific use depending on the situation. For example, a charcoal nitrile glove is designed with a water-resistant characteristic that lets water droplets slide off the glove's surface, naturally cleaning it. Additionally, absorbing unpleasant odors make it practical and comfortable to wear gloves for long periods, especially in the food handling and processing industry. For medical and dental professionals, nitrile gloves are the most popular and dependable glove on the market today. It offers continuous protection for more challenging tasks, especially in the lab, cleaning, maintenance, and other general application. Its textured surface helps in grip stability and improve handling accuracy. Top Glove also has polychloroprene gloves. The company produces only two types of polychloroprene gloves: accelerator-free sterile polychloroprene surgical gloves and sterile polychloroprene surgical gloves. The accelerator-free sterile polychloroprene surgical gloves is ideal for type 1 or type 4 allergies, since the gloves are free from allergens in natural rubber latex and accelerator substances. At the same time, sterile polychloroprene surgical glove is an excellent substitute for natural rubber latex that remove protein allergens and suited for individuals who are allergic to it. These gloves are soft, elastic, and sturdy, produced from a synthetic latex formulation that match the physical features of natural rubber latex. After that is vinyl, or also known as PVC. Vinyl powdered and powder-free examination gloves are used for medical purposes. Vinyl powdered and powder-free food handling are for food and services, while vinyl powder and powder-free disposable gloves are for safety and industrial. These vinyl gloves are essential barrier protection against unpleasant and harmful chemicals for light duty operations. These gloves have an ambidextrous design, making them more manageable, soft, and comfortable. Flexilon is also one of the gloves produced by Top Glove Corporation Berhad. It consists of Stera Flexilon Surgical powder-free gloves, Finesse Zero, Quorum, and Aegis. According to the surgeon's desire, the Finesse Zero has a grip designed to an optimal level that allows for double use with Finesse Quorum. Finesse Quorum has a micro-texture surface design that gives excellent touch sensitivity, while Finesse Aegis is designed with the highest AQL 0.1 with the response-triggered disinfecting system that delivers the correct amount of disinfectant liquid to disinfect the glove's torn area in situation of unexpected glove breach. It is also perfectly made without any accelerators, ensuring that Type 1 and Type 4 allergies be prevented. Now we move on to non-glove products. It consists of personal care, medical care, home care, and industrial care products. Personal care includes a face mask, condoms, shampoo, body wash, and hand wash. Face mask is made from polypropylene spunblown non-woven for the outer and inner layer, and polypropylene matte blown non-woven for the middle layer. The three-ply design is perfect for filtering germs, bacteria, dust, and air particles. Top Glove Corporation Berhad condoms are available in smooth, dotted, grip, 3-in-1, and ultra thin. It comes in various colors and flavors like natural, green, pink, purple, and others, except for 3-in-1 and ultra thin condoms, which have no taste. These condoms are developed to prevent pregnancy and other STIs. Next, the hand sanitizers ensure to eliminate 99.99% of bacteria and leave hands moisturized and scented with aloe vera extract and tea tree. Top Nature shampoo gently hydrate and prevent dryness with avocado butter, aloe butter, and hydrolyzed barley protein. Next is medical care. The dental dam is made of latex and non-latex polyisoprene material. The non-latex dental dams only come in purple, while the latex dental dam comes in blue, light blue, and green. Dental dams are perfect for use during endodontic treatment. They protect the treated area from oral bacteria and saliva contamination. Then, the exercise band is ideal for fitness, sport training, and rehabilitation. The band solid and durable rubber maintains the band shape and consistency even after frequent usage. There's a variety of colors to choose from: orange, yellow, blue, red, and other colors. Next, the tourniquets are used for phlebotomy and other operations to control blood flow. It may also help prevent infection and exposure. For home care products line, Top Gloves offers Cas Polythene apron, floor cleaner, and dishwash. The CPE apron is made from polyethylene resin. It can be used at home and in the lab, veterinary farms, beauty salons, agricultural work, and industrial sites visit. Then, Top Bright Antibacterial Floor Cleaner is highly recommended for those looking for clean, refreshing floors, while Top Clean Antibacterial Dishwashing Liquid keeps hands from drying out during dishwashing. It keeps dishes germ-free and squeaky clean with the ability to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. Lastly, latex sheets are an industrial care products. It may be used in sports, industrial, and fashion clothing. Latex sheets protects against unwanted pollutants.
Top Glove have faced fierce competition from other companies selling similar products. The main competitor of Top Glove are Ansell and Hattalaga Holding. Ansell is a world-class manufacturing company from Australia. Ansell have sold its products and services to customers in more than 100 countries. Furthermore, reliable quality and consistency of supply are one of the advantages to compete with Top Glove. Ansell no need to worry about interruption in the supply chain. Ansell also provide physical and mindfulness training to help employees to stay healthy. Through successful training, a highly skilled workforce ensures that productivity will not be affected. Another advantage is that Ansell have a good financial status. Ansell have a strong free cash flow and can provide the company with resources to develop a new project. And it can generate a good return on capital expenditure by establishing a new source of income. Hatta Lega Holding is one of the competitors of Top Glove. It located in Kuala Lumpur. Hatta Lega Holding was the largest manufacturer of metal gloves in the world. Hatta Lega Holding has advanced manufacturing technology that enable them to protect product quality and operational efficiency. Hatta Lega Holding unparalleled expertise provide them with an important competitive advantage. Hatta Lega have the fastest production line in the industry. Besides that, excellent product and service quality is one of its strengths. It makes customers loyal to their product and make Hatta Lega can compete with other companies in the global market. It enables Hatta Lega Holding to increase its market shares. Hatta Lega Holding Glove exceeds international quality standard. Hatta Lega has developed an antimicrobial glove that can kill up to 99% of microorganisms.
I will continue this project for the current major trends and issue on Top Glove Company. The first issue is the COVID-19 pandemic. On the other hand, this pandemic has increased the need for the personal protective equipment or PPE such as gloves to unpredictable height. Gloves are in high demand as a low-cost protective barrier for individuals amid health threats such as COVID-19. Country has enacted stronger laws to manage the pandemic and maintain manufacturing quality. In addition, two clinics and hospitals that have adopted increased preventive measures. These factors have boosted worldwide
worldwide glove demand to previously unheard of levels. Second trend is transformation on product structure and technology upgrading. Concern over latex allergies have motivated glove manufacturers to improve the performance of their natural latex glove, and nowadays natural latex gloves are almost comfortable as natural rubber latex gloves. It also can be sterilized without any effect on its physical characteristic. Because of this transformation, many industries have chosen natural latex glove. For technology upgrading, Top Glove have invested heavily in automation and digitalization, resulting in higher productivity and lower overhead, improving companies' competitiveness to make product more cost-effective. Next, Top Glove products are being used in a wider range of industry. With glove being very versatile in nature, other industries such as food and beverage, biotechnology, and the rest have adopted glove. The demand of glove has been used in research and development, industry, and electronics. Government globally also have mandated stricter occupational safety regulation, requiring corporations to provide safer work environment for its workers. Hence, this factor would likely contribute to glove demand in future. Lastly, Top Glove Company has issues on healthcare expenditure in healthcare sectors. In recent years, global healthcare spending has seen accelerated growth. This growth can be attributed to a growing population in developing countries and aging population growth in developed countries. General positive trend in the healthcare sector such as increased healthcare spending, private participation sectors in healthcare, and the development of national health insurance are seen as positive contributors to medical glove demands. However, the recession caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has reduced overall healthcare spending by 2020, which seems opposite with the global health concern caused by the epidemic.
Now I would like to share about SWOT analysis of Top Glove Corporation Berhad. SWOT analysis stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Strength and weakness are caused by internal factors, while opportunity and threats are caused by external factors. SWOT analysis can help a company to analyze what should a company take action to develop a successful strategy in the company future. First and foremost, Top Glove Corporation Berhad produce a good quality product at an efficient low cost. Because of this, company has earned a good reputation since its establishment in 1991. To produce a high-quality product, workers of Top Glove Corporation have been trained professionally according to the training program. They also use high and modern technology in product processing. As we know, the quality of the product is the most important for every company. Top Glove Corporation Berhad has gained a lot of accreditation like the picture in the slide. Besides, Top Glove Corporation has a larger market share in the glove industry, which is captured about 26% of the world market share. Top Glove Corporation Berhad also manufacture in many countries like China and Thailand. The company also has office in USA, Brazil, and Germany. They have set a high target, which is increasing the market share to 30%, although the market share of Top Glove Corporation Berhad already high. Apart from that, Top Glove Corporation Berhad also have their winners. Top Glove Corporation Berhad need to invest heavily in buying a modern technology. The modern technology that company buy is more expensive compared to the other. The minor and major accessory also more expensive. So if the machine have any problem, they need to spend more money to repair it. The technology that Top Glove Corporation Berhad use is not commonly same with other glove manufacturer. They also need to spend more money on hire professional employees that can operate during the product processing. Furthermore, Top Glove Corporation Berhad face some problem in facility layout, which is arranged in straight line layout. The straight line layout is difficult to divide the work to every workers compared to U-shaped layout. It will cause some worker will work more than the other, so they will feel unfair in the arrangement of work due to the same salary that they get. They will feel, although work less, they also can get the same salary with the workers they work more. In the part of opportunity analysis, the chairman of Top Glove Corporation Berhad Tan Sri Lim Wee Chai mentioned that manufacturers in Malaysia have been supported by the Malaysia Rubber Export Promotion Council. It will promote the glove abroad and help to initiate research and development efforts. They also get a lower cost of heat and energy compared with other glove manufacturers because the natural gas is partially subsidized in Malaysia. That's why they can produce a high quality at an efficiency low cost product. Next, the spread of diseases like COVID-19, H1N1, SARS, and many more have increased the hygiene awareness. Global glove demand increased from 8% to 10% after the disease spread. This is because gloves have become a necessary in the medical sector and healthcare. It increased the net profit to RM 2.87 billion and RM 5.37 billion of revenue, which is the highest quarterly result in Malaysia's corporate history. Now, let us to continue with the last analysis, that is trade. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is facing about more than 30 factories have been shut in Malaysia due to the pandemic of COVID-19. More than thousands of workers tested positive for COVID-19, and at that time, the cases of COVID-19 is increasing day by day. It caused the capacity of production in Top Glove Corporation Berhad reduced to 50%. The company has huge demand for gloves due to the pandemic, but the company is concerned about the production because more than 1,000 workers have been tested positive for COVID-19. In addition, the increasing cost of latex that is used to produce gloves, this is because many countries are struggling with pandemic and the material are less available. Because of the increasing cost of latex, the expenses of company will increase and the net profit of the company will decrease. When the cost of raw material is increased, that totally increase the price of the product, then the demand of the product will totally influence.
Future direction of Top Glove Corporation Berhad. First, produce high-quality gloves with high efficiency and low cost. Top Glove produce quality gloves at a moderate cost such as examination gloves, surgical gloves, industrial gloves, and some oil. The product of top quality gloves are essential in the healthcare sector because they ensure human safety and help save lives. Top Glove Corporation Berhad produce high-quality, low-cost gloves that comply with internationally recognized standards such as ASTM, EN, and ISO. Secondly, generate $250 and spend $1 is the future direction of investment. According to Dr. Lim Wichai, CEO of Top Glove Corporation Berhad, said that the most critical factor is profitability. If you lose money, it is not good to grow bigger. Earn $2 and spend $1 is our investment philosophy. This means that we should only spend RM1 for every RM2 earned, and we should do so in a healthy way. Last but not least, Forbes and Forbes Global 500 by 2040 is also one of the future direction of Top Glove Company. The world's largest manufacturer of low-cost and high-quality gloves hope to increase its market share by 30% by the end of the year and become one of the world's 500 by 2040. The Glove Corporation Berhad would have to increase 40 times in order to reach 40 billion in revenue. This company have increased 40 times in the last 16 years, so they are hoping to double their size in the following 22 years. To expand, Top Glove Corporation Berhad must purchase and create our own factories through organic means and mergers and acquisition.
We recommend that Top Glove invest in a research team to develop new modern technology. It's because Top Glove need to pay high cost to purchase new modern technology, such as equipment. And also, Top Glove need to pay expensive maintenance and repair costs for the equipment. If Top Glove invest in a research team to develop modern technology, Top Glove can get a latest new modern technology. Top Glove can change equipment operation requirement and capability according to their own need. And it will become one of the sources of income for Top Glove. It's because Top Glove can also sell the modern technology on the global market.
By hiring experts in product development, Top Glove gets to gain more ideas in producing a better type of glove that they never made before. These product experts will help the company internal product developers in testing, creating, and improving prototypes before selling them. They will also evaluate whether this prototype is worth investing or not. Product experts are usually trained and equipped with certain knowledge about the product that a company is producing. They will surely create better developing processes for the company because one of the abilities of them is that they are able to detect mistakes easily and correct them. Besides that, these experts will also indirectly build a skilled development team for the company. The experiences and the knowledge are shared among the members during the process.
Next, another suggestion for Top Glove Company is by building community relation. The core principle of community relation is that when a firm embraces its civic responsibilities and actively participate in well-being of its community, it reaps a variety of long-term advantages in terms of community supports, loyal, and goodwill. According to Lisa Desani in Cincinnati Business Journal, community participation enhances public image and employee morale and develop a feeling of collaboration that is surreal in long-term success. As an example, Top Glove Company can give donation to the frontliners health staff by giving them stocks of gloves that are currently in use to cure the spread of the COVID-19 epidemic. This can assist to develop trust, improve communication, and encourage people to use Top Glove products.
Moreover, Top Glove can act as a good and caring corporate citizen committed to building community resilience through social development initiatives. Top Glove's approach to community engagement can be made by enabling a foundation to support non-profit organizations and educational institutions to improve the quality of life of the underprivileged and the needy. Additionally, they may provide a platform for those in need by including a donation request form on their website. Thus, it will benefit the community significantly, and the company itself and Top Glove will gain recognition not only for their products but also for their community involvement and interaction with others.
In conclusion, Top Glove Corporation Berhad developed in 1991 and founded in Malaysia. Top Glove Corporation not only produce gloves but also produce non-glove products like medical care line and home care line. The focusing of Top Glove Corporation Berhad is produce a high-quality product. The main competitor of Top Glove Corporation Berhad is Ansell and Hatta Holdings Berhad. The pandemic of COVID-19 affect many companies, not exception of Top Glove Corporation Berhad, which caused the company have been shut in Malaysia and more of the workers tested positive of COVID-19. The current main trend of Top Glove Corporation is the transformation of product structure and technological advancement. They always want to improve the quality of product that can meet the current need. Although the product is high quality at lower cost, but future direction of company is always improving the quality of product.